Hello everybody, it's me, 128 Bytes here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, everyone. So we're back playing GTA San Andreas, and this is episode 4, I believe. So here we go. Let's go ahead and fucking do this, yo. What were we have to probably go here first, right? Cleaning the hood. That's what's up, bro. Oh no, we're gonna get into a gang war? Oh shit.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is start gay and ruin the place. Crack ever made a gang type.
Oh, no, man. What's up, y'all?
Damn.
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
Shit.
You seen B-Dup?
Nah, but him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Shit. All right, here we go.
Hey, B-Dup is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Let's go to
Shit, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
Go to B-Dup's crib, yo. No radio, please.
One of
No
the
radio.
families ain't
No
up on
radio. There we go.
Far from smoke, sweet, and you know yours truly.
Dude, this
Broski
game.
don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
This game is fucking cinema, bro. I thought I wouldn't like this game, but bro, I'm fucking loving it, dude. The graphics, dude. The graphics for the time are freaking crazy, dude. They're so good. Holy. Shit's cinema.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up!
Open
Sure
up.
you still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
Damn. What the fuck? Yo.
I see what you mean now, man. If crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope
True.
fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss
Damn,
me off.
Look
bro.
like it's up to us then.
Damn, bro. Crack
Let's
addicts.
just cruise
and-
through the hood and
All right,
find somebody
let's
selling.
go. Let's go. This game is fucking fire though. Oh shit, my bad. All right, we good. We Gucci. Go beat up the crack dealer. Oh shit. All right. Let's say less. I'll beat the fuck out of that crack dealer, bro. Is it right here? No. Fuck! I ran over the cop. We're fucked. We gotta start. Oh my god. I killed a fucking cop, bro. Fuck, I'm
Check
so
it out.
bad.
Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
What the fuck? Oh hell nah. Wait, how do I change my weapon? Fuck, I don't know how to change my weapon.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog?
Oh
Quality
fuck.
shit right
What
here.
the fuck?
What you gotta say about it, fool?
What am I doing? Why am I aiming this? What the fuck?
Touch me.
Wait,
My hands are dangerous.
how the fuck? How the fuck? Hold on. I need to check the controls. How the fuck do I? Hang on. How do I switch weapon? Weapon. Is it L1? It's not L1. What the fuck? Huh? Oh, hell nah. Wait, hang on. Hang on.
I'ma mess with your nervous system.
I deadass don't know the controls. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Yeah, get fucked on. Yeah, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Oh, homie. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm getting my ass beat, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. I'm getting my ass beat. Spraying him with fucking... Oh, did I kill him? Did I beat him up? That's what's up, bro.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey,
Dude,
ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah,
Man,
I'm down,
a
homie.
Buster. Hell
Hey,
yeah.
Grab hold of that bat over there.
Oh, I should grab the bat. Wait, that's true. That's true. Hold on.
Man, we
Who
on
the
a
fuck
serious
is
mission
that?
now.
Did that guy just try robbing my
Don't
fucking
sweat it,
car?
homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussy.
So how do I switch weapons? Oh, R2. Okay. We got this shit, yo. Oh. Yeah. We're about to fucking, dude. We're about to ball out, yo. Hold on.
Ooh-wee. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Yeah, let's go introduce ourselves. Type shit. All right,
Good
let's go.
afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Whoa! Whoa, am I gonna get banned for that? Yo, they're giving me head in the background. What the fuck?
Ninja these
Yo.
motherfuckers.
Yo, there we go. Oh my god, what the fuck? Wait. God damn, bro. Beat the fuck out of you.
Hey, I'm about to just thump you.
I'm gonna fucking thump you, bitch. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh shit. Yo, hold on. Oh, I got him. I got him. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Let's go back to Sweet's house, bruh. Fuck yeah, dude. That's what's up. Yo, I feel like I'm gonna get banned because they're giving head in the back. Oh shit. What the fuck? They shooting at us? I died? No. No. Am I gonna spawn at the hospital? No. What? Bro. Gotta be kidding me. What? Bro, what? At least my max health increased. Get the fuck out of the car. Alright, we gotta go probably right here. Oh, what the fuck? Am I even going the right way? Oh, what the fuck? Which way do I fucking go? I guess this way. Gotta go this way? Down here. I don't know the map that well yet, so I'm still kind of like learning how to like navigate and shit, but... Dude, I can't believe I freaking died, bro. Not to probably I have to redo the whole mission all over again, I think, dude. This is cooked. Let me get out of the fucking car and do this shit. Wait.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just
Boy?
a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now
Whoa!
listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Whoa, they made the cop so racist, bro. He said boy twice? Yo, this game's kind of crazy, bro. What the fuck? Okay, where am I going in here? Do I gotta save? Like, what does it want me to do in here? Oh, no, nothing. I guess I'll save real quick, though. Save. Let me save. Big one, yes. Okay, there we go. We saved. Alright, let's fucking do what we need to do, bro. Because that is fucking crazy. And I can't believe he said boy to him twice, bro. That's insane. He said, you heard me, boy. Like, the fuck? That's insane, dude. Cleaning the hood. All right, we have to do this all over again. Let's skip the cutscene. Let's fucking do this again.
Hey, B-Dup is only a couple of blocks away.
Type shit. Type shit.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly.
Asshole
Street don't bang
Such a
no
bad driver in this game,
Get blown.
dude. God damn. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again and not get killed.
Hey,
All right, skip the cutscene. Skip the
let's just
cutscene.
cruise through the
Alright, here
hood
we
and find
go.
us somebody selling.
Let's go beat the fuck out of this guy again, and then we have to beat the fuck out of the other guy again. Ran over, you fucking homeless bum.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Yeah, you're fucking cooked, buddy.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog,
Oh shit, didn't mean to. Oh fuck, what the
you
fuck?
got business here, homie?
Oh shit.
Hell no.
Get, bro, I'm soft locked. What? I'm fucking soft locked, bro. What the hell?
Ain't gonna
Coming
be
for the
no
running man.
fuck.
Coming for the running man. Boom, bitch. Yo, boom. Type
Hey,
shit.
man, you pushing.
Boom. Boom. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Hold on.
Dangerous weapon.
Boom. Type shit. Get smacked on. Yeah.
Man, I know this cat.
Alright, skip the cutscene.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Yeah. Oh shit, I need the bat. Right. Fuck, dude. I'm low. I'm half health.
Man, we on a serious mission.
I might fail this mission
Don't
again,
sweat it,
bro.
homie. Everybody in the hood know
Why is
balls
the
and pussy.
cop trying to get me? What the fuck is going on? I have 1 star?
Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this, and it's like that and like this and like that.
Dude, I might die again, bro.
Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Dude, the soundtrack on the radio is fire, by the way. Alright, but let's, I'm probably gonna get copyright strikes for it, bro. I'm cooked.
Good afternoon, ball of dope pushers. Grove Street.
Alright.
Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers.
Get fucking beat, bitch. Yeah, oh shit, you cooked, bruh. You cooked, bruh. Oh, I beat the woman. What the fuck? Dude, I'm actually getting canceled, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck. I'm dead. No. I can't die. Fuck. I'm actually dead. I'm actually wasted. No. I had to do it again, bro. Chat. All right, no, not chat. You guys, listen, I might be actually trash at this game, bro. I might be super bad. Holy moly, I just died twice in a row. Like, are we good right now? Bro, I feel like we're playing like shit. Turn the fucking radio off, bro. No.
What's your problem?
Oh, I keep missing it, bro. There we go, I got it. Yo, what's crazy is it shows like titties in this game, bro. I forgot about that. I don't think I could get banned for it though because it's in a video game, right? So it should be fine. I don't know. Also, there's nothing right here. Why am I going right here? I need to be... Okay. I'm actually going the wrong way right now. What am I doing? Where am I going? I'm sorry, guys. I'm playing like really bad right now. Let me see. Let's go. I think we gotta turn left here, right? Yes. Okay, we gotta turn left here. Dude, we have to do this all over again, bro. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Actually, I probably need to go that way. Oh my god. Dude, I am not good at this, bro. Alright, wait, could I not? Oh, okay, good. I was gonna flip out for a second. Alright, let's get out. try this shit again, because apparently we're just so freaking bad at the game, dude. And we keep dying. We're only on our, like, what, 3rd or 4th mission now? This is
B-Dup
ridiculous.
is only a couple of blocks away.
Okay, let's try this one more time. I hope we get it this time, because... Oh, no.
Hood's all messed up, huh?
Shit, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
I gotta skip this cutscene. Skip. Okay.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Let's go get the crack dealer. Oh my god, bro. I wonder if this video will get... It probably won't get age restricted, right? Because...
Check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
The fuck kind of music was that? Okay, I don't have any weapons, so I'm just gonna have to go in with my
partner, I'm
fists.
working, man. What you need? What you need, dog?
Come on in, homeboy. Hit.
Yeah, get fucked, bruh. Get fucked on. Oh, you cooked. You cooked now, huh? Yeah, you cooked now.
Punk.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Dude, I gave it to him.
Man, I know this cat.
Holy. At least I know how to fight
Hey,
now. I
grab
could
hold of that bat over there.
I think I got it this time, bro. Wait, let me see. Where's the bat? Where's the bat? There we go.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, we on a serious mission now. Alright, let's go. Dude, this radio is cooked.
And I'm sweating, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers and pussies.
Try not to get copyright strike, bro. There you go, radio off.
Wait, man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Yeah, you can smell them. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's actually finish this
Baller
mission.
dope pushers, Grove Street. Oh,
Grove Street going down.
ninja these motherfuckers.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, I'm cooked. Hold on. All right, I got this, guys.
You ain't got no scrap.
Oh, I'm beating the fuck out of him. Hold on.
Hey, no time to clown, homie.
Let's do it. Come on.
Yeah, you're cooked. You're cooked, buddy. Let's go back to Sweet's house and not get shot, right?
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
Hell yeah. Dude, we actually did it this time, I think, guys. Holy.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me.
What's your problem,
Time
homie?
change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
Hell yeah. All
Now
right.
that the base ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Hell yeah. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end episode 4 right there, guys. If you guys enjoyed another episode of GTA San Andreas, make sure to let me know by leaving a like on the video, subscribing to the channel, and comment down below your thoughts. What did you like the most in this episode? Did you like it? Let me know, guys. All right, peace out, everyone. This is 128 Bytes signing off.